Do you want to know how you can change your profile picture or your profile display picture on your Otter AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your profile picture on your Otter AI account. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now on the left hand side you can see your profile. Click on it and then go to account settings. You can see your profile over here. Go ahead and click edit and it will lead you to this option. Go ahead and click edit photo or just click on edit over here. You can upload photo by clicking on upload photo, or else you can just go ahead and click edit photo and it will take you to the same page. Go ahead and click upload photo and select the desired photo of your choice and then click save. This way your profile picture will be changed. After you're done, click done and you can see that your profile photo has been changed. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and click on your profile, go to account settings and it will lead you to this page of general. Go ahead and click edit and click edit photo. Now you can either click photo or just upload photo. So go ahead and click upload photo, choose a photo of your choice, drag it until you like it and then click save. This way you can change or update your profile picture in Otter AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.